I got from eBay this super cheap Sandblaster. It's not just regular Sandblaster, it's a wet Sandblaster. You have to use this with your pressure washer. So today I'm gonna try to do this, how it works. I have my Ryobi. I have a sand from Home Depot. You just place sand, it's nothing special. And I have my huge project. It's a 2006 Dodge printer. I get it from auction. It's a lot of fluid damage. I'm already start the engine. I drained the whole fluids. I'm drained 26 gallons of water from fuel can right under here. And like every sprinter, it's rusty. It's rusty all around. So I tried to clean this a few months ago. Just use a regular grinder, some chemical from rust removal from Walmart, and it looks good, but you cannot clean to all these little spots. And right here, how it's rusty, that's what they call it. So they're gonna check how this Sandblaster is gonna work. Spot like this, all this down. This spot I was cleaning already, and I just use the primer from rust. But anyway, if you can see too close, this rust still is coming out. This printer is gonna be my project. It's gonna be a few videos for YouTube. And I hope this wet Sandblasting is gonna be work very good. I hope. Okay, let's find out how it's gonna be work. So installation is super cheap. So attach right here, actually sand supply, put to the bucket with sand, and you're ready to go. It's one more hole over here. This area I cleaned before by grinder, wire wheel, and I can say some rust removal from Walmart. I think it's a Rust-Oleum brand. You can see it needs more power. It needs more power from pressure washer. All these small spots, all these dark spots is gonna be comes out for next few months, and you have no reason priming, filling and painting like this. Like in this case. Somebody tried to fix this already, but it's coming on again. But I like this. It's wet and you have no dust, and I'm stay clean. Better, but still it's a tons of small spot. And you cannot paint it like this. Somebody can recommend me something how I can clean this completely. That's the Sprinter. I like this engine. This one has 2.7 liter turbo diesel engine. It's very good engine, and it's 2006, so it has only catalytic converter exhaust system, and it's powerful. This base 114, super short, super low base. This base, technically this one can make 29-32 miles per gallon. So 15 wheels, 15 inches rims. I would like to use this van for my work, for carrying all tools back and forward and whatever I need. Alright, so we have spent a few pounds of sand. It was full of back sand, so for these few minutes we use maybe 1/3 of bucket. Yeah, it was 50 pounds. Maybe I need different kind of sand. Who knows? Okay guys, that's how it's working. Sandblasting, wet sandblasting, with a small pressure wash. Thank you for watching.